Hi guys, welcome back to your English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Wednesday, June 9th, 2021, and what we're going to see today is about the rooms of the house and the house vocabulary. This is a thing that you already know. It's just to remind you. Uh, and I want to ask you, how many parts are in your house? Maybe you have two bathrooms, two bedrooms, three bedrooms, one study, one living room, a dining room, a kitchen, and stuff like that. A part of the house that is very important is the garden. You may have it, you might not have it, but it's important because it gives a special aura to the house. It's where you play, where you have your tree, your flowers, your plants. You also have the living room. The living room is the part of the house where you watch TV or you be with your family or you receive visits and you put them in the living room. We also have the dining room. That is where you eat. It's where you eat. You have your table and your chairs and you eat with your family. Also, you have the kitchen. The kitchen very important because it's where you make food, where you cook your food, or your mom cooks your food. So yeah, the kitchen with the stove, the refrigerator, the microwave, and all that. The garage, that is where you save your cars, and you have some of the stuff, as you can see in the picture. The bathroom, where you take showers, you go to pee and poop, you wash your hands and all of that. And the bedroom is where you sleep, you have your clothes, your toys, maybe a TV, your PlayStation, your Wii, I don't know what games, your Switch. And yeah, that's it. It's just to remind you about the vocabulary of the house. We're going to practice more tomorrow. And yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching the video and have a very nice day. Goodbye.